federal mask mandate on planes and public transit.
And the decision comes less than a week after the Centers for Disease Control extended it through May. WJ's Megan Dwyer is here now with more. Megan.
So this decision just came down this afternoon. It is sort of unclear right now what the timeline will be for any actual changes in policy on the ground or at the airports until the CDC and the Department of Justice act. Right now, it appears you might be able to take your mask off. In a scathing 59-page order, a federal judge in Florida who was appointed by former President Trump says the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the CDC, doesn't have the authority to force private people to wear masks in their private lives. Two Florida women sued, arguing they have anxiety and wearing a mask makes them have panic attacks. They argued the nationwide mask mandate went well beyond the authority of the CDC. Last week, the CDC extended that mandate until May 3rd, saying it needed to keep monitoring the Omicron variant. There's been an uptick in COVID across the country since April. Federal law does say the CDC can issue regulations that are necessary to prevent the spread of communicable disease. But the court's decision came down to a nuanced, exacting interpretation of federal law and the meaning of a few choice words like sanitation. In part, the judge reasoned because masks don't technically clean anything, they shouldn't be required. In her extensive order, U.S. District Court Judge Catherine Kimball Mizelle wrote anyone who fails to wear a mask is essentially detained and quarantined, and that's beyond the CDC's authority. She also wrote city buses and Ubers have little connection to disease spread. Quote, they are forcibly removed from their airplane seats, denied boarding at the bus steps, and turned away at the train station doors, all on suspicion that they will spread disease. She said the CDC can't make us all cough into our elbows or take our vitamins either. Today, the White House called it a disappointing decision.
The CDC continues recommending wearing a mask in public transit. As you know, this just came out this afternoon. So right now, the Department of Homeland Security, who would be implementing, and the CDC are reviewing the decision. And of course, the Department of Justice would make any determinations about litigation.
Right now, as it stands, the case has been remanded to the CDC. Now, unions for flight attendants are already calling for calm and patience, not chaos. We have also reached out to some airlines to see how they're each individually going to handle this.
So can someone overrule this judge's mandate or this judge's ruling?
As it stands right now, the Department of Justice is really going to have to decide whether to litigate going forward, unless the CDC changes its mandate.
Yeah, all right.
We'll see what they